Hey, Dana, and welcome to vlog. And this is a continuation of getting my homemade trailer registered and on the road. In the last video there, I had to go to court because I'd gotten the traffic citation for it not being registered. So I've just now, when I went to court, I wound up having to pay a fine, and then right after that I was able to get down there and get the I had all the paperwork, but of course I had to wait a month before I could get to DMV, and everything went fairly smooth other than the fact that I got there and nobody, usually there was a sheriff deputy inside, and he was making sure everybody was coming in on their time. So, you know, last time I went down there for the vehicle, I was freaking 2 minutes late, and I couldn't get in. They weren't letting anybody in. You had to have a freaking, you didn't make it on your freaking time slot, which I don't understand. You got a 15-minute time slot. I was 2 minutes late. And they wouldn't let me in. So I had to make another appointment and get back down there. So that got taken down. But in this case, I'd made my appointment. I got there 15 minutes early, but nobody was coming out. So then I wound up being a half hour late because I was standing in line until somebody finally said, "No, if you get an appointment, go in." Like, great, you know. So everything went fairly smooth after that, and in the end, it was only like $25. Unfortunately, my ticket $150, and then you can pay it. Go down there and pay it in person, or you can go online. It's paycourtonline.com, and unfortunately, they charge you $12 for the service. So, you know, it's done. My letter also said that if they don't get a payment by this date, they're going to suspend my driver's license. And this was June 21, and I'm just now paying it $712. So I just called down DMV, and it's not suspended, so that's good. It's paid. It's done. I don't have to worry about it no more. The trailer's registered, and that wraps this up. So if you're just catching this video, you'll probably say, "Well, why didn't you register your vehicle, your trailer to begin with?" Well, in my infinite wisdom here, I built a bed to put on a car dolly. And if you don't know, car dollies don't have to be registered. So in my infinite wisdom, I says, "Well, I'm putting a bed on top of a car dolly, so it doesn't need to be registered." Well, unfortunately, it did. I could have probably fought it, but then again, why are you going to do that? Because it's a homemade trailer. Either way, I guess. So anyway, $161 mistake. I've been driving around for over 2 years, and I've had town cops, I've had troopers, I've had everybody, you know, follow me, and nobody's ever stopped me until just recently. So I guess it was cheap. So it's done. But if you're going to build a homemade trailer, make sure you get it registered. It's not going to be that much. The main thing is you got to go down to a certified weight, a certified scale, and have it weighed. Get your ticket, and then fill out the paperwork. Go on there and then fill out your registration paperwork, and then set up your appointment with DMV. I guess they're still doing that. And then go in and get your plates. So, lesson learned. All with, so I can close this episode of getting my homemade trailer, quote, quote, car dolly, registered. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs. And I got an email from them stating that if they didn't get paid by the 18th, which is the 12th right now, they were going to put out a warrant. So that would have been bad. So right now I was looking at suspension. I just called down there and says your license isn't suspended, which was good. And again, I just paid it now, so I don't have to worry about a warrant. Just because of a homemade trailer. So, you know, what are you going to do? Live and learn. So, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. You catch me on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs.